Okay, so in today's quick tip, let's talk about create a pattern from a set of data. If you have a set of data that follows a pattern, Excel can help you extrapolate that pattern and fill in the rest of data for you. First, type the first pieces of data in the first two columns of your table, and secondly, press the Ctrl + E buttons to populate the rest of the list. This can be done with addresses, names, and other data that follows a similar pattern. So go into our Excel. I have created a list of names with which I have to create email addresses for a company. And as I said before, first you have to type in the first pieces of data in the first two columns. In this case will be the first two names and the first two emails. And then all you have to do is just press the Ctrl + E buttons to populate the rest of the list. Now press Ctrl + E, and there you have. This is an awesome tool to save you a lot of work, because in your company it may be, I don't know, like 100 people. So you just have to type in the first two and the rest will follow. Alright, so now we're going to talk about the topic called check for differences between lists. So if you have two lists of data and want to know what's different between them, Excel can help. You can use the built-in compare feature to see the differences between two lists quickly. First, highlight both lists you want to compare while holding the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Then, from the Home tab in your ribbon, go to Conditional Formatting and then highlight Cell Rules. Next, click on the Duplicates button. And finally, in the dialog box, change from Duplicate to Unique. You'll see all the differences pointed out by Excel immediately in your spreadsheet. So, I have made here two lists of sales and some employees. So, I'm going to select both sets of data while holding the Ctrl key on my keyboard. And now I'm going to go to Home tab, this one right here, and then press on Conditional Formatting. Now I'm going to select Highlight Cell Rules, the first option, and then select Duplicate Values, this option right here. Now we see that in the dialog box it says Format cells that contain duplicate. We have to change the duplicate option to Unique. And now Excel will automatically point out the differences between the lists. So you can easily see that David, for example, has sold less in July than in June, that Christian has the same amount of sales like John, and that Lucas has increased his sales. As you can see, even tools like conditional formatting can be used for more than one purpose. That's the magic of Microsoft Excel. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.